Aisha has 2 master's degrees, one in mass communication and one in English literature from Lahore's Kinnaird College. Throughout her academic career, Aisha remained a high achiever. But the greatest moment was when she received a gold medal for outstanding performance in Masters in Mass Communication.
Passing for mass communication with a CGPA of 3.93.
I did very well and मुझे gold medal मिला for the best academic achievement. And I was so happy, my family was so happy, and I was so excited कि मैं जहाँ जाऊँगी, when I'll go in the field, I will get the best.
Despite her outstanding achievements and capabilities, Aisha remains unemployed for reasons that are extremely disheartening.
I went for the interviews to 2 or 3 places, लेकिन एक जगह I was hired, लेकिन the project was shelved. वहाँ से वैसे ही मेरी job चली गई और फिर मैं 2-3 जगह और गई, 2-3 interviews हुए. They were ready to hire me, लेकिन at the last moment, the moment they came to know I'm married, उन्होंने मुझे refuse कर दिया.
And there are many like Aisha who have been refused several times. Academics feel the attitude has more to do with the fact that ours is a male-dominated society where women are slighted in both domestic and professional affairs.
Our society is not a such society which can welcome easily to the women at workplace. There are certain jobs which we consider or the people consider that this is not for the women, and they should have certain very you can say that decided type of areas where the women can go.
Women across the globe face similar problems. However, the issue in Pakistan is compounded by the fact that it is a third world country.
There is a need to tap the best talent in order to increase productivity in every field. And for that, it is the responsibility of both the government and private organizations to create job opportunities for the graduating students, regardless of gender or other biases. Sana Saif, DawnNews, Lahore.